description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one made in Malaysia for Singapore. This is Vecorn Sakura Prawn, spicy Sakura Prawn soup noodle. And this comes by way of the kind folks over at Yee, that's Y-E-E, Yee, L-E-E, the Yeely people. Thank you very much. And you know what I noticed about this one? Now, I think this has nothing to do with the way it is in the United States, but notice this clear portion. In the United States, instant noodles that have that generally are for prisons. But they're doing things right in Malaysia. In Singapore. I don't think they got a lot of prisons over there. They don't, yeah. But we certainly have plenty of them here for our kind folk. So let's cook this up. I am having a feeling that this is gonna float my boat. Yeah, and I may go so crazy I may go to prison. No, I'm definitely not so outlandish I would do anything that would land me in prison. Knock on wood. I guess that's the safe thing. I don't want to go to prison. Anyways, how's everybody doing? Update on my, I don't know if you noticed, I was complaining in the last few episodes about how much my leg was hurting. And I had this thought, you know, I've been doing a lot more work on reviews lately. I took some time off and then I got back to it. And I've been sitting, let's see, 5 minutes. I've been sitting at my desk a lot, and there was a big box that was kind of in the way of things. So I had to like move my leg a little bit to fit there with this big box in the way. Well, it came to me yesterday, you know what I ought to do? I ought to move that box. Well, I had to kind of do a little bit of living room redecorating and stuff, so I did. And I went out a little bit today and came back. Yeah, I mean, it still hurts, but it's nothing like it was. I think, honestly, that was the issue, was the box and the way I was sitting at my desk. So, yeah, that's an easy fix. Doesn't require any medication or a doctor's visit. But, yeah, so we'll see how that goes. I'll just keep adding walking. And kind of also during the whole holiday break, I wasn't able to go out and do my big walks. I was doing, you know, like close to 10 miles every day. So now I've got to slowly work back up to that. Because walking around with a leg that's absolutely horribly, terribly, nasty, painful is no fun. But I really like going out walking, so. It is January 14th, 2024. We have 6 days until the new president is back. And that should be interesting. It's funny, January 20th is my sister's birthday. The kids have the day off because it's Martin Luther King Day and it's Inauguration Day. And the flags will be at half-staff because of Jimmy Carter's passing. So it's a whole bunch of junk on the same day. We'll see how that goes. I don't know. I just don't know what to say to my foreign viewers. Don't blame me for this. That's all I can say. I didn't do it. But yeah. No, really, I'm a very peaceful gentleman. Anyway. Yeah, I went out, did a walk. I talked to my really good buddy, the Exalted, His Holiness, the Reverend Dick Kazinia. He lives in the UK, just got out of hospital. So that was nice. I haven't talked to him in gosh, I don't want to say almost a month. But he's going through some stuff, and hopefully that stuff is over, and he'll be doing better soon. And shout out to Stumpy from North Little Rock, who is making his arduous journey to Orlando currently. Actually, you should be there by now. And what the hell? Shout out to Zach Tripper, my old best friend, who now actually he hates my guts now, as far as I can tell. And yeah, I didn't do nothing but got married and got happy with a family and stuff. That can kind of like ruin things for people, I guess, that don't like such things. But you know, what do you do? I'm pretty happy. And shout out to Fred Meyer's stores, which have excellent produce. Shout out to the St. Vincent de Paul thrift store, which, yeah, now they open at 10. I was gonna go in there earlier, but they don't open until 10, so I was there too early. Shout out to whoever makes these clocks, because they're pretty neat. Shout out to Noodle Journey, shout out to Tontantin, shout out to the Fat Hipster, shout out to everybody who wants to get yelled at. So I'm shouting at you. Alright, so I'm ready to give this a try. I'm not going to put on the scallions at this point, but I will try it with scallion after. I'm going straight for the broth because, oh boy. Very strong shrimpy flavor. If you don't like sweet prawn and a bit of spiciness, you will not like this. You might be put off by the smell. Personally, I find this to be a delicacy. And I like it strong. Oh, wow. And that's what that is. And that is wonderful. Yeah. There's our noodle. Hello, noodle. Non-fried noodle. That's an easy 5-star. I haven't even had the scallion yet, or the fried shallot. That's good stuff. This bowl is from the people at another point that made this stuff. The same stuff. Well, not exactly the same. I think. I mean, it could be close. It's close to the same, but it's real. This stuff is good. My God. I'm adding a couple things that I really, truly enjoy. Might be noticing lately I'm using a lot of tofu puff. When I have tofu puff, I'm using it. Because tofu puff doesn't last forever in the fridge. And it's such a nice thing. If you've never had it, it's kind of spongy. It's more of just a texture-y kind of thing. It's fried tofu that puffs up, so it's really nice. A little mung bean sprout, another thing that I haven't really had on hand lately. It's really something I like to use with, oh man. This mint, I tell ya. Let's do egg first. Do I want to use egg in this? I don't. I want to use shrimp though. Yeah, let's hang out like right there. Uh-oh, do I? Yeah, I got two. Of course I have two. Okay. And didn't I want to? Oh yeah, I gotta add that shallot or else. Shallot. Shall we? A little shallot. And let's get back to this mint. Mint really complements this, laksas, curries. I think. I really, really like it. Boy, and I really like fresh mint. This mint is weird. It came from H Mart. I really expected a different. That's a nice little set of it. It's some of the, like, I would call this like really weak mint. Not flavor wise, but it just doesn't wanna. The mint I usually get is like a mojito mint, and it usually is darker and has a stronger leaf. And this stuff is just so soft and just wants to curl up and doesn't want to behave itself. And I like it when it behaves. All right, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is from Japan, and it came out of a Nakama noodle box. Go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com to get yourself one of those boxes, and, you know, use the coupon code TheRamenerator for a discount. This is Maro-shan Saimen Miso Ramen. Yeah. It is red. I would have expected it to be blue, but it's red. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramenerator wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.